It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as we are down to the second game of our quarterfinals one. As we can see here. Of course, itong mga barangay captain ng Level Up LUBAO, the 44 barangays of LUBAO, Pampanga rather. At ito nga ang ating game, Level Up LUBAO against one Magalang basketball. Itong si Jeff Buton wanting to continue his dominance at makakatapat niya dito. Itong si CJ Delfino and the rest of the Level Up LUBAO doesn't want to extend this game onto a deciding game tomorrow. A game at hand, Level Up LUBAO kontra one Magalang basketball. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalen. Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Good afternoon, Pen, and good afternoon sa mga kabalen natin na nanonood dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center at siyempre sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. After that thrilling, exhilarating first game natin dito sa Saturday quadruple header natin, I am excited to see this second game between the twice-to-beat advantage team na Level Up LUBAO kontra dito sa one Magalang basketball. And kakasabi ko nga lang kanina, pwede nga mapanood sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page itong laro. And also, Pampanga_PIO sa YouTube channel. Kaya like and subscribe na. And also, we are also simultaneously broadcasting live sa Sinag Liga TV, Sinag Liga Asia's YouTube channel, should I say. And kaya nga, let's take a look at what will happen nga dito sa ating playoff round. Ano ba ang mga mangyayari dito as we see nga 8 teams from the 2 brackets. So, makakapasok sa playoffs. Top 4 teams magkakaroon ng twice-to-beat advantage. 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, and 4 versus 5. Sa makaka-qualify na 8 teams for the quarterfinals round 2, maglalaban-laban po. Magko-crossover po sila. 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. Sa mga 4 na teams na makakapasok po doon at mananalo sa knockout stage na yun, magkakaroon sila ng single round robin for the semifinals. The top 2 teams will advance to the championship round. May best of 3 po sila, and the top 3 or the 3rd seed and 4th seed teams magkakaroon ng knockout game to determine the 3rd and 4th place dito nga sa ating playoffs.
As we can see here, the chairman of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan, together with our COO and the tournament commissioner for Delta Cup, Coach Leo Isaac. But before anything else, let's take a look kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang kuponan na to sa ating team standings.
Yes, itong Level Up LUBAO have a twice-to-beat advantage because they garnered the 3rd seed sa bracket A with the 7-3 standing record dito. Samantalang itong one Magalang basketball at the 6th seed with 5-5, pantay sila ng I Love San Simon and Bayong Porac. And this is an interesting game kasi nga both of these teams actually play almost a similar style. Fast-paced, puro fast break. Ang magkakatalo lang talaga dito is will the mythical 5-member of Sinag Liga Asia born 2001 Cup, the Tasmanian Devil himself, show up. Kasi nga, ang game story natin, Pen, is
Hearts on the line.
Yun nga, hearts on the line. Kasi ang puso ng parehong kuponan na to is their point guards dito. So makikita natin, which heart is bigger? Will it be one Magalang to live to fight another game? Sasama ba sila sa dalawang laro natin bukas? Gagawin ba nilang 3? Or will it be Level Up LUBAO na sasama na sa mga naka-qualify for quarterfinals round 2?
And of course, coming up is the battle between Level Up LUBAO kontra one Magalang basketball. And now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans. Welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. The home of giant lanterns. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Playoffs. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asha. Catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office FB page and YouTube channel. Our second match for today, the battle between Level Up LUBAO and your one MAGALANG basketball. And now let's meet the protagonists first for your Level Up LUBAO. Starting at guard number 17, CJ Delfino. Also at guard number 22, Mark Mandalang. At forward number 2, Maverick Pangan. Also at forward number 8, Franz de la Cruz. And center number 5, Vincent Sinker. Head coach for Level Up LUBAO is James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Mark Domingo, and Marty Ocampo. Your Level Up LUBAO. And now let's meet the starters for your one MAGALANG basketball. Starting at guard number 2, Jordan Bungay. Also at guard number 21, Rafa Canlapan. At center number 22, Jeb Bouton. At forward number 28, Ariel Mandaloto. And also at forward number 9, Ian Dunca. Head coach for one MAGALANG basketball is Joey Mercado. Assistant coaches Pons Malig, Jebren Hudilia, Jeremia Feliciano, and Chris Bondo. Your one MAGALANG basketball. Game officials charged in action, Anthony Roque, John Banayat, and Birds Izuka. This is your Delta Cup 2024.
Our starters for Level Up LUBAO, Delfino, Manalang, Sinke, De La Cruz, and Pangan. At para sa panig ng one MAGALANG basketball, Canlapan, Dunca, Buton, Bungay, and Manaloto. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo manning the sidelines. For the second game of our quarterfinals one, the playoffs atmosphere is really feeling right now inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center as the first possession goes to one MAGALANG.
It's very interesting how they start off dito parehong koponan kasi nga fast-paced parehong team na to as muntika na matapik pa ng tagal LUBAO yung bola sa sarili nilang basket.
Back to De La Cruz. Franz De La Cruz gives the first basket for Level Up LUBAO.
And I call this guy the barometer para sa Level Up LUBAO. Regardless on how Delfino shoots, it's always Franz De La Cruz ang talagang tumitimon sa kanila eh. His performance is key to their victories. No elimination round and even right now to the playoffs.
It's here Delfino. Alam mo, so mentioning Franz De La Cruz, yung dati nung una ko na-cover to, yung Level Up LUBAO, akala ko talaga si CJ Delfino lang yung meron sila. But then, Franz De La Cruz, you know, outscoring CJ, not outscoring but with 19 points on Franz De La Cruz and only 8 points to CJ Delfino, you know?
Actually, meron pang isang player na wala ngayon sa starting 5 ng Level Up LUBAO, but kilala mo rin to, Sean Lorikov, Hustle Rising Suns.
Oh,
diba?
Really?
Oo, he normally comes off the bench for Coach James De La Peña. I said, wow, that's a rare violation for the Tasmanian Devil. When you talk about rare violation, rare dribbling violation na ipito to one of the best ball handlers
that Pampanga has.
Hindi lang Pampanga, I would have said na in the entire country, di ba? Doon siya sumikat sa mga speed move niya, high-flying action, and yung mga dribbling moves niya. That's very rare na mapituan si Delfino ng dribbling infraction.
Ariel Manaloto. Nakuha ni CJ Delfino.
Eto na, lilipad na yan!
You know the height of CJ Delfino? On that, sa lipad niya yun.
Oo. Well, let's not forget, he is one of the brand new recruits of Colegio de San Juan de Letran, di ba?
As I speak to Coach Alan earlier,
Oo.
sabi niya that Delfino is now serving his residency for the NCAA season 101.
Yes, exciting yun. But Ariel Maloloto of Juan Magalang, their pure scorer talaga. Look at that, di pa nga siya ready na papasa sa kanya, and yet he was still able to gather and put it up and in plus a foul.
Ariel Manaloto serves also as the team captain for Juan Magalang basketball. When I was able to interview him one time for the best player, you know, he's really all out there daw talaga for Coach Joey Mercado. If Coach Joey needs an assist, he will give. If Coach Joey needs him to score, he will score.
I remember yung game nila against Villa de Bacolor eh. Nung kalaban nila Villa de Bacolor, etong si Ariel Manaloto, kung hindi siya nagkaroon ng cramps, they would have won the game eh. Kasi dun sa last 2 minutes, is an illegal pick whistle here on Manuel Pangan. But yun nga, if hindi siya nagka-cramps noong last 2 minutes, I believe that they were going to win that game. Nag-take over siya no fourth quarter after being down by double figures, and then he got hit with cramps towards the last 2 minutes, and doon nakaalagwa bigla yung Villa de Bacolor.
There is a whistle. 5-2. 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ito yung bruiserweight nitong Juan Magalang, si Rafa Canlapan. Talagang give the ball down low to him and he'll make things happen. Whether he passes the ball, kagaya kanina kay Manaloto, or he'll just post you up, back you down, and put you in underneath the basket.
As that first shot is good. Let's take a look if Rafa Canlapan can put his 2 out of 2. And there you have it. Just a 1-point lead for Level Up Lubao. CJ Delfino working with Franz de la Cruz. Together with Manuel Pangan, Vince Sinque, and Mark Manalang.
Yan na ang tunay na Tasmanian Devil. The reason why that nickname was given to him back when he was a Red Cub from San Beda. Yung mga spin move na yun ni Delfino. 4 points now, but quick counter right here for Kian Dunca.
If they are really, opposing team against Level Up Lubao, and you have CJ Delfino and Franz de la Cruz coming everywhere, you really have to match their energy.
Oo, pero itong Juan Magalang, this is a team na, sabi ko nga may mga games lang talaga na talo nila, bumitaw lang sila sa dulo eh. This is a really good team, and I can see nga na they're really trying to compete with Level Up Lubao and join nga itong Minalin All-Stars and yung kaninang I Love San Simon, di ba? Sa mga games bukas na do or die. It's very interesting start right here for Juan Magalang as, look at that, the big man comes in. Ito si Allen Danan.
And to give a recap for our Kabalans watching on our different social media platforms, our games tomorrow will be Minalin All-Stars against United Tomasan Bombers, together with the I Love San Simon kontra sa tinalo lang team. Ingbayong Mexico was so great earlier.
Yes.
But then Andre Dungo was there. 30 points for your friend. For our friend, rather. But going back here, 6 minutes and 25 seconds, 7-6. Just a 1-point lead for Level Up Lubao.
2 seconds na sa shot clock nila.
Mark Manalang.
Wow!
And there you have it. Mark Manalang still delivers the 3-point shot.
Ang layo naman nun. Like a 30-footer from Mark Manalang. And a steal
Steal
here.
from CJ Delfino. Back to Franz de la Cruz. Back to Delfino.
He was asking for a lob. He was asking for a lob.
6 points already for CJ Delfino.
Patalon na siya eh. Nagulat siya mababa yung pasa. But look at that
Canlapan,
defense.
steal from Franz de la Cruz. Back to Mark Manalang. Manalang to Pangan. Pangan with that one-hand shot. But the ball goes to Juan Magalang. Manaloto. Manaloto with that underneath drive.
Yung
Back to
haba ni
CJ
Dana.
Delfino.
Eto, lilipad ulit. Uy, niluwa lang.
Looking at CJ Delfino's physical outlook. Now, what more? Let's take a look here. What more kung mas bulky, no? Si CJ Delfino, imagine.
Well, pagpasok niyan sa Letran, I mean, we were talking about, me and Coach Bancho were talking about this the entire tournament ng Born 2001 na Delfino took the different route after he graduated high school out of San Beda, sa San Beda Red Cubs na naglaro. He actually took the route na maglalaro na lang ako dito sa mga regional leagues instead of going to college. Now he's given another chance to go sa mga regional basketball. May nakita ako ditong may suminag.
May suminag because Mr. Sinag himself
The ray of light is
here.
here.
Pinag-uusapan pa lang natin kanina.
Okay, parang, ano ba, narinig ba nila tayo? Ayun nga, ito nga sinasabi ko, Rafa Canlapan does that. Regardless kung ilagay mo dyan si Allen Danan or kung sino mang big man, Rafa Canlapan has that confidence. I call him the Draymond Green version nito ng Juan Magalang kasi kahit sino pang ipatapat mo sa akin, I'm confident na kaya ko silang i-back down. I can defend them at the post. Basta nasa post area si Rafa Canlapan, ganyan siya. As we can see right here, mga special guests natin dito, of course, Mayor Kapalit, Mayor
Jun Tetanco. And sa tabi niya, Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO. Of course, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. At sa katabi naman ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is Mayor Malu Lacson together with Mayor Tonton Torres of Guagua. What a star guest para sa ating second day ng quarterfinals.
And we are done by the brother and sister tandem of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Mayor Esmeralda Pineda.
Mayor Esme Pineda.
Grabe, Delfino fired that from way downtown. Active na active si Delfino ngayon, ha? Parang namotivate ata sa pinakita kong ka-video chat na kanina, eh. Yung best friend niya, eh.
Si Justin mo yan. 9 points already for CJ Delfino. As we take a look here, Ariel Manaloto against Alan Danan.
We talk about Delfino, but this guy, itong si Errol Manaloto, talagang pure scorer, eh. Lefty player, looking like, alam mo yun, he looks like a James Harden type player in transition na kalmado, hindi wild yung mga drives niya. Him and Delfino actually have a little bit of similar playing styles na transition players sila both, and they're actually guarding each other right now.
You know, I'm actually surprised. As nagulat ako dito talaga.
Sa harap natin.
Kasi sa harap natin bumagsak si CJ. But going back, I'm actually surprised why Ariel Manaloto doesn't have a school, no?
Karamihan dito sa Delta Cup na tatanong tayo bakit.
Ang gagaling kasi talaga nila, no?
That's the reason why these tournaments are given, and also yung Sinag Liga Asia tournaments are as France de la Cruz knocks down the jumper. Kaya sila may ganon, may Sinag Liga Asia and other tournaments just like the Delta Cup. Kasi
it's to give the underrated players.
Actually, how many schools are there in the UAP? Just 8. Diba? How many schools are there in the NCAA? 10 lang. Diba? So just 18 schools lang available dito. When I talk about schools, I talk about the big schools na talagang tinututukan ng lahat. Not counted yung mga sa Isaa, ganun. But I'm talking about the NCAA, UAP, as France de la Cruz scores another. But yun nga, konti lang dito. You have 18 teams in the entire country of the Philippines na mga bata naglalaban-laban for that spot, diba? So mahirap talaga.
We take a look here. The pass to France de la Cruz. Easy drive for France de la Cruz. Already 7 points for this ball game as he knocks his first 3-point shot. With 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor. 20-30.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Of course, pwede niyo pong mapanood itong Delta Cup 2024 sa Facebook page at Pampanga PIO to give you as well as updates of the team standings at kung nasaan na ba tayo dito sa ating Delta Cup. But first and foremost, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report niya sa parehong kupunan.
Thank you, Pen. Grabe yung confidence ni head coach James Allen de la Peña of LUBAO, Pampanga. While interviewing him, sinabi niya lang naman na wala kaming training, hindi kami nag-training. The honesty of head coach James Allen de la Peña. He also mentioned that their only goal for today's game is to correct all the mistakes they have done on the elimination round. Same play but they improve more on their defense. Dagdag pa ni coach yung game plan nila, ang tanging paghuhugutan nila na lakas para makuha ang panalo. While on the other team, according to head coach Joey Mercado of Team 1 Magalang, one game at a time, di namin iniisip yung bukas or advantage ng kabilang team. What we are now is to be exceptional and control the toughness of LUBAO Pampanga. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Wala pang practice yan, ha? Para kay Coach Allen de la Peña of Level Up LUBAO.
Wala pang ensayo daw. Pero may mga ganun talaga yun. That's the situation sometimes. Nahihirap ka mag-practice. Even sa atin sa Sinagliga, so there are teams na hindi makapag-practice. Kasi mga mother schools na tinatawag sila, di ba? Danan gets another foul. David naman na nakapulot ng foul. But look at this. Ito na yung hinahanap natin, no? Sean Lorico comes in of Hustle Rising Suns.
Alam mo ba, Enzo, natawa ko si one time, na-cover ko pa yung laro niya ni Sean last week ng elimination. Tapos pagpunta namin sa camp
Florida Blanca, di ba?
nandun na siya.
Ganun siya kasipag na bata. And actually, sinasabi sa akin ni Coach JR De La Cruz, he loves that group so much, yung Hustle Rising Suns nila. And tamang-tama yung pangalan ng Hustle kasi they embody, all of the players embody it. Sean Lorico and Speedy Harvey Salvador, which we will see later sa Abe-Abe Kimpanyulong Florida Blanca, di ba? For the main event. They are competing every day sa practice. Practice pa lang. Kaya nga sabi nga ni Coach JR De La Cruz, nag-over-exceed ang Hustle Rising Suns kasi ganyan ang attitude nila Sean Lorico even in practice. And nadadala nila sa laro.
You know, CJ Delfino is out but Sean Lorico is in. Para ka ding may Delfino sa loob as that throws
talon lang yung pinagkaiba tsaka yung kulay ng buhok eh.
But the moves, it's really different for Sean Lorico. And you know, the hustle of this guy is very different. That's why he's part of the Hustle Rising Suns for Coach JR De La Cruz. 20-15 is our score with 2 minutes remaining for our first quarter. A sideline inbound for Franz De La Cruz. Back to Sean Lorico. Sean to Gonzalez. Back to Lorico. Lorico is trying to find what a bounce pass from Lorico. Back to Sean. Back dito kay Gonzalez. In and out. Ariel Manaloto. That pass against 4. What a nice block from Danan. Back to the ball stays. Nakuha dito ni Sean Lorico. Lorico against 2. Jet jumper.
Favorite shot niya. Uy, nagmintis nga lang.
It goes in and out. Hindi sinuswerte sa mga shot nila.
Oo, and favorite yun ni Lorico. Double in and out to a pull-up. That's his favorite move. A good defense ang ginagawa nila kay Manaloto. And traveling. Great defense right there by Level Up LUBAO. Trapping him sa baseline.
When I was looking on the stat sheets in the past games of one Magalang, grabe yung playing time nito ni Ariel Manaloto. Parang yung playing time ni Andre kanina na yung 3 seconds lang.
And also si Raymart Cosal kagabi. Kahapon pala for Fernandino Kakayabe ka, di ba? Ganun yung mga play time nila. Cruz din, Gian Cruz, di ba? Ganun. Good steal by Kenji.
Paano ka nilabas nung minum ka lang?
Ooh, sorry, miss.
For LUBAO.
Kahit kay Zita, yung turnaround jumper niya, wala din.
Of course, 27 seconds remaining.
There you go, Allen.
Rebound by Allen Danan, Sean Lorico.
An easy layup. Oh! What a rejection right there for Buton. But Lorico cleans up the mess.
That's why Sean Lorico really belongs to the Team Hustle Rising Suns. His hustle is different.
Layo.
That is short for Milo Likup. What a first quarter. 22-15, a 7-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. 10 points for CJ Delfino, 7 for Franz De La Cruz. So we take a look here, our first quarter highlights that first 3-point shot of the ball game. Care of Franz De La Cruz. That second 3-point from Mark Manalang, and this, what a drive from CJ Delfino, one of the prides of LUBAO Pampanga, and of course Pampanga Delta, as we can see here once again, Franz De La Cruz to CJ Delfino. And CJ Delfino knocks the easy 2 points once again. This makes his ball game a 7-point lead for Level Up LUBAO, 22-15.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
You are still tuned at the Delta Cup 2024 at Force mga kasinag. SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagashasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asha. As the Pampanga Delta are 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta is back
Good
to
steal.
defend their title.
Oh, good block din. Galing dito kay Lorico.
And of course, Hustle Rising Suns, together with Luwid 1 Kapampangan and the brand new team, Camarines Norte, together with Parañaque Pelicans. As we take a look here, this block from Sean Lorico.
Pisong-piso yung huli na yun.
Saktong-sakto din na yun yung binantayan ni Sean. Kasi they're on the same height eh. As same as nagiging depensa kanina ng Mexico sa San Simon, di ba?
Yes.
If you want to have the best defensive plays, kailangan yung tamang taong ilalagay mo on that specific player.
Yes, and also at the same time, dapat andun din yung puso mo. Your mind should be on the defense. And Franz David that time, kita niya walang bumakso, tumatake siya. Speaking of atake, good tap by De Leon. Wala na naman.
Cruz, is there another jumper for Sean Lorico?
That's Kenji. Kenji Gonzalez. Kamukha kasi sila eh. I understand.
Ni
Oo,
Franz
magkamukha
Cruz.
sila. Pero look at that, Nilo Lico. Burst of speed there.
2-0 run. 9 minutes and 8 seconds. 22-19.
Dami dito sa LUBAO na magkakamukha. Ayan si Franz de la Cruz at si Kenji Gonzalez. Eman Pangan again with that beautiful jumper.
It's Manuel.
Eman Pangan ang pangalan niya.
Oh, really?
Yes, nickname.
Emmanuel?
Emmanuel
Oh.
Pangan.
Galing mo doon.
Siyempre. O, diba? Sabi ni Mr. Sina, grabe yung 22. Jeff Button again with another rejection on Kenji Gonzalez pa yun.
Saktong-sakto.
Piso rin eh.
Jeff Button is one of the players na talaga maaasahan ng Magalang except besides Ariel Manaloto.
Yes. Ano eh, parang pipindot ka lang ng ano dyan eh.
Pati itong si Nilo Lico.
Yes, oh. Pero ngayon medyo maalat laro ni Nilo Lico.
As well as Sean Lorico. Sean Lorico doesn't his first field goal of the ball game.
Pero alam natin what makes Sean Lorico different from all the others is his defense. Kahit maliit siya, palaban niyang player na yan eh.
And one thing about Sean Lorico is it's also an all-around guy, di ba? Minsan talaga pag hindi siya sinuswerte sa kanyang shooting, of course, doon na siya sa second best, not the second best, but the first best option eh.
Yes.
To put your best defensive play.
Imaginein mo, for Hustle Rising Suns, Coach Jared De La Cruz has the luxury to have Bayong Porax, double teachers at Tubangi, Florida Blancas, Speedy Harvey Salvador, and Lubao's Sean Lorico. Diba? How crazy is that lineup, diba?
That's why our first season of the 23 and 19 under of Sinag Liga Asha will be a different and a phenomenal season. Because I heard that there are a lot of
Good block.
newly recruited players.
Yes.
Outstanding players. Jeff Budon knocks that one-hand shot.
Ganun pa eh. Iniwan pa eh. Kala ko, Alamak Macardona na yun na
If I am
ano
not
height mo.
mistaken, Jeff Budon delivered 22 points
Yes, last game nila na
on the
elimination round.
elimination round.
Best player siya nun that time.
Kenji Gonzalez.
Wow.
What a move
Wow.
from Kenji Gonzalez, and he was able to knock that shot.
Required ata dito sa LUBAO na marunong kang mag-spin move eh. Requirement. Pero counter dito for Juan Magalang.
And
Get
speaking of
Franz David.
spin moves, if Level Up LUBAO has spin moves, of course, that easy basket drives from Juan Magalang makes them different.
Layo.
But there you have it. Narinig ka na, malayo. No problem.
Modern day basketball. Anyone and everyone can shoot from distance.
Jeff Button. A combination of preparation and luck on that shot. I know that he practices that a lot. Hindi lang laging ganun yung mga moves ni Jeff Buton.
Favorite, no? Again, spin move na naman, no? Ano, pinapractice ba ng mga taga-LUBAO yan? The only player from LUBAO who I know na hindi gaano gamit ang spin move is Arthur Roque. Si Arthur lang ang hindi gumagamit ng spin move kasi tatalunan lang niya lahat. But look at that floater from the middle. Galing dito kay Jeff Buton. But hindi, parang yung buong team ng LUBAO, marunong lahat gamitin yung spin move to their. That effective pa lahat, ha? Hindi pilit.
A 4-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. Franz de la Cruz checks once in. What an underneath basket. Coming from underneath rather for Bungay.
Grabe. Pag Jordan talaga pangalan, eh.
May Jordan din kahapon, di ba, sa game na na-cover?
Meron. Jordan din. Ito
What
ay
a pass from Sean Lorico.
great kick out.
Finding Kenji Gonzalez, libre doon as we can see here. Of course, our special guest, Mayor Esme Pineda, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, together with Mayor Jun Catangco.
And Mayor Malu.
Mayor Malu Lacson, together with Mayor Tonton Torres of Guagua, getting ready for the next game natin dito.
And sige, sama na natin si Kurt.
And of course,
Si Kurt.
the hurt man himself, Kurt Rayson, one of the champions, part of the champion teams of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Tinatanong ko siya, gusto niya ba mag-analyst dito? Sabi niya, di ko masalita eh. Kurt, ha?
And let's not forget that he's also served as a team captain for Colegio de San Juan de Latran, the Latran Knights.
Yes.
Last season 99 of the NCAA.
Sayang yun for Delfino.
As the future Latran Knights misses that shot. But a steal once again.
Lilipad to. Ay, hindi, nagantay. Yung pala. Peke lang pala.
What a shot from CJ Delfino.
Ibang
Kala ko ibabalik po niya kay Franz de la Cruz.
Ibang
Jeff Buton.
Delfino to, ha, sa Delta Cup. Normally, passer lang siya. Bawi si Jeff Buton. But yun nga, ibang Delfino nakikita natin ngayong araw. Normally, pasa siya ng pasa. But ngayon, ito yung tunay. Parang pinapakita niya yung tunay na Tasmanian devil form niya ngayon.
As we can see here, nakikita ko tumatawa si Kurt Rayson kay Gov Delta. Kasi yung mga ginagawa nga ni CJ. Of course, CJ was a player for Pampanga Delta.
And actually, fun fact, ha, yung anak ni Boss Ray Alaw, naging teammate si CJ Delfino sa San Beda Red Cubs. More Prince Alaw, former teammate sila ni Delfino doon. Nagkasabay sila. So,
If I'm not mistaken, that's way back 2019?
18 ata.
18-19.
18,
Because
19,
when pandemic came.
Oo, nung pandemic kasi,
Doon na-
Delfino kasi graduate na from high school. And that's where he took nga the alternate route na magliligan. Labas siya, regional basketball tournaments, and he became a star. Granted, he became a star, di ba?
As Ariel Manaloto checks in for Nilo Licup. Delfino to De La Cruz on the inbound. As balik kay Delfino ang bola. CJ signing his teammates on their play. So, nakikita ko dito, itong si Kenji Gonzalez na pumupwesto na from his usual corners. CJ Delfino.
Good shot creation from Delfino. Libre-libre si De Leon doon, hindi lang talaga na knockdown. Everyone's gravitating. Yung the defense ng Juan Magalang is gravitating to what Delfino does. Naiiwanan tuloy yung mga teammates niya.
As Ariel Manaloto, still no field goal on the three-point shot. Oh,
3
nice
on 2.
defense.
Magalang has the numbers. They have to attack. They do, and foul on the ground, sabi ng ating referee.
After, I thought that it could have been a missed possession for Juan Magalang, but it was able to stay on the offensive side. There's a substitution on the floor. As a baseline inbound for Juan Magalang basketball. Ariel Manaloto. Back to Paul Estrabo. Estrabo checks in.
Nakatapikan ni Manalang, ah. Yun nga lang, foul doon si Kenji.
Kamukha nga sila ni De La Cruz.
Sabi sa'yo, 8 and 9 pa yung number nila, di ba? Magkasunod.
As a baseline inbound once again for Juan Magalang with 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Let's see what will they do
Open.
here with the 7 seconds on the shot clock. Manaloto Back to Buton. That is short. Pero nandun sila.
Huli na naman.
Back. Almost a steal. But ball goes to the defensive side. Gonzalez. Gonzalez to De La Cruz. And De La Cruz with a drive. And one.
Yung magkamukha, nagpasahan. Franz De La Cruz again, the barometer para dito sa level up. LUBAO,
Take a
look at
look
that.
here.
Nakangiti pa si Kenji doon ang pinasa niya.
Tumama kasi si Ariel Manalote is trying to go for a block. But he knew that he was late on that one.
Hindi na niya maaabot eh. Look at that. The barangay captains of LUBAO, Pampanga. Up in arms. Tuwan-tuwa dun sa layup na yun ni Franz De La Cruz.
If I'm not mistaken, I heard that 44
44 daw.
barangay
Dami, diba?
captains of
Ano,
level
lahat ng
of
barangay
LUBAO,
captain
Pampanga.
pumunta.
That's how supportive they are. Of course, kasi nga, Enzo, we're almost at the playoffs atmosphere. Kagabi nga eh, against Apalit.
Apalit.
And
Pupunuin pa daw nila. Hindi, nakulangan pa ba kayo?
hindi pa pala puno yun. Para kailangan championship eh.
Actually, totoo.
A 6-point lead for LUBAO Pampanga with 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. With 15 on the shot clock. CJ Delfino. Gonzalez to De La Cruz. De La Cruz with a hesitation, but
looked good.
Gonzalez, no hesitation whatsoever. Points the bottom of the net, knocks the 3-point shot.
That looked good when it left his hands. Tutok na tutok yung tira niya eh. Alam mo, you know we're a shooter when you have that kind of arc to your shot at diretso siya. Hindi siya going left or going right. There's a tie-up here. There's a tie-up. Oh! Manaloto got entangled dito with Manalang. And Manaloto got lifted up in midair. Good job by their teammates na paghiwalayin na lang sila. There's a foul on Manalang, so Errol Manaloto will go to the free throw line for 2 shots.
As Ariel misses that first one with 2 minutes and 15 seconds on the game clock.
Yan
40.
Yan lang ang kahinaan sa laro nito ni Errol Manaloto.
Lahat kaya niyang mag-shoot from the paint
Yes.
line, from 24-footer line. But on that 15-footer line,
Yung free throw talaga hirap siya eh. That's the only hole of his game.
40-32 from the 9-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game, down to 8.
Oh, wow!
Oh, what a soaring miss for CJ Delfino, and he badly landed after that shot.
You miss a layup there, and the basketball gods will tell you you'll
You
get a
can
layup
see
here.
here.
Pero libre siya dito.
Mayor
Yun, there's a foul there. He was asking for a foul on this earlier play. He's still telling the referees dapat may foul doon. But yung defender did nothing. Sumabit lang talaga. Pag landing niya, he already let go of the basketball. That's why there was a no call. But dito, he gets the call this time.
and he's asking for it kanina pa. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang second quarter report. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. What I like about CJ Delfino is his consistency kapag lagi ko siyang tinatanong about his contribution for their team. Lagi niya sinasabi na I always follow the game plan of our coaches. I respect them and I always include their advices sa bawat laro namin. But he also mentioned na lalaban kami hanggang dulo as a team kasi hindi lang naman dapat ako yung kailangan mag-step up. We all need to step up. More than just a luck, we need to work hard, play hard as one team. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Work hard, play hard. That is how CJ Delfino, as a Pampanga Delta and a player for Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Of course, yung coaching staff mo talaga, no? Coach Aisel.
Yung best friend din niya, nanonood ngayon. Nagpapa-shoutout. Shoutout to Justin Bautista. BFF ko yan.
As meron
Talaga
din ako nakita nagpapa-shoutout.
Tita Rowena Angeles, the mother of Steven Angeles, always supporting Tita Rowena.
Dito,
Sino ba?
Jenna Mendoza, pa-shoutout po. Hello, Jenna. Happy watching.
Back to the game.
There's 1 minute and 31
the game.
seconds remaining, 42-34.
Speaking of Tita Rowena Angeles, the mother of Steven Angeles, regardless kung may laro si Steven o wala, lagi nanonood yun. And also, yung mom ni Justin Bautista, Tita Janice Bautista, lagi silang nanonood. May laro man ng mga anak nila o wala, nakatutok lagi yun sa mga games dito sa Delta Cup, even on Born 2001. They always watch. And yun yung na-appreciate natin sa mga parents ng mga players eh. They always support anyone. And sinasabi nila minsan, uy, magaling tong bata na to, magaling tong bata na to. Hindi lang basta suporta lagi sa anak nila, syempre. Pero they appreciate the other talents din dito, di ba? Na nakakalaban at nagiging kakampi ng mga anak nila.
This is going back 44 to 34, a 10-point lead for LUBAO, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Kala ko papasok pa yun, ha?
That goes in and out.
That would have been impressive if that shot got in.
Let's level up LUBAO. Manalang on that jumper. It's good.
Bang, bang, sabi ni Mark Manalang. May stare down pa kay Manaloto after that pull-up jumper. And now a 12-point lead for level up LUBAO, 46 to 34, forcing etong Juan Magalang to shoot for time, 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining in the first half.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
As of course, we can see here our star-studded special guest, Mayor Jun Tetangco, Mayor Esme Pineda, Governor Dennis Deta Pineda, Mayor Malu Lacson, Mayor Tonton Torres. Of course, sama na natin dito, Kurt Rayson, one of the players for Governor Dennis Deta Pineda.
Isipin mo to, Mayor Tonton, Mayor of Guagua, mamaya palaro nila andito. Si Mayor Jun Tetangco, apalit. Kahapon laro nila pero nandito. Diba? I mean, the support. We understand why magagaling at mahuhusay sa basketball itong mga bata sa Pampanga. Kasi look at the support system that they have. It starts from the top. Starts from Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and it goes down to the mayors and even the families ng mga bata, diba? The support system na itong mga Kapampangan basketball players, second to none I haven't seen that huge support in any na parang from governor, mayor, diba, councilors, barangay chairmans, mga ganun. Delfino is barreling through everybody there.
26.2 seconds remaining. Still a 10-point lead for Level Up LUBAO, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Look at that, the Tasmanian devil right there, CJ Delfino.
He's back again on the 15-footer line. He's trying to make their lead even more bigger as he misses this first shot. It's a rare miss for CJ Delfino.
Napakahusay na free throw shooter niya ni Tasmanian Devil
He was able to knock down the second shot. 11 points, the biggest lead of the ball game. 47 to 36. 19 seconds on the game shot clock.
Good steal.
17 on the game clock.
Good steal right there. And they will get the last shot pa talking about Level Up LUBAO. Ito na yung mga time na Delfino time na to. Take out your phones, take out your TikToks. Oh! Nutmeg! Sayang!
Ariel Manaloto to Likop.
Niluwa nga lang.
But that was a miss for Nilo Likop.
Delfino tried to nutmeg his defender. Ended up with a turnover. But nonetheless, itong Level Up LUBAO lamang na 11 puntos dahil nga ang Tasmanian Devil nagpapakita na ng tunay niyang form dito. 15 points, 1 rebound. Samahan mo pa ng 3 steals. An all-around effort from Charles Jacob Delfino in the first half. Kaya nga, lamang ang kanyang koponan by 11 points, 47 to 36 at the half dito. Kaya tutok lang po mga kabalin. Magbabalik po tayo for the second half ng laban ng Juan Magalang basketball kontra Level Up LUBAO.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
to 36, an 11-point lead para dito sa Level Up LUBAO at the half kontra dito sa One Magalang basketball. And we can see some of this halftime highlights, and it was a highlight reel galing dito kay Tasmanian Devil Charles Jacob Delfino. But on the other end, Errol Manoloto trying to lift up itong One Magalang by himself, almost by himself should I say. But eto nga, a team effort ang ginagawa ng Level Up LUBAO. It's not just Delfino, it's also Franz de la Cruz joining the party, and also Kenji Gonzalez with that beautiful corner bomb right there. Everything was falling for Level Up LUBAO in that first half. But there's still 20 minutes of action remaining dito for One Magalang to catch up and live to fight another game. As we can see the leading scores, Errol Manoloto with 8 points together with Rafa Canlapan and Jeff Buton with 6 points for One Magalang basketball. Para naman dito sa paring ng Level Up LUBAO, Delfino leads all scores with 15. Kenji Gonzalez with 13 points and Franz de la Cruz with 10 points of his own. Kenji Gonzalez, 13 points coming off the bench, and kaya nga meron silang 11 puntos na kalamangan dito at the half. 47 to 36. Kaya nga, malalaman natin kung makakapasok na ba sa quarterfinals round 2 itong Level Up LUBAO, or will one Magalang live to fight another game? Mag-schedule ba sila ng do or die? Bukas po dito, sasama ba sila sa dalawang laro na meron tayo bukas? As syempre, mga kabalen, we will be right back dito sa ating 2024 Delta Cup for something very special as we go back dito for the second half ng Level Up LUBAO kontra one Magalang Basketball.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2024 at ito ang laban ng Level Up LUBAO kontra 1 Magalang Basketball. At the end of the first half, 47-36 is our score in favor of Level Up LUBAO. But before we go back to our ballgame, ito muna ang Delta Cup interviews at the half. Of course, I have here the star-studded special guest, the mayors of different cities and municipalities in the province of Pampanga. Unahin na natin dito. On my right side, Mayor Malu Lacson of Magalang, Pampanga. Mayor, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon po at thank you po nanonood kayo ng Delta Cup.
Now, Mayor, I will just ask you how happy you are that your team is here fighting their best at sa ating playoffs.
Siyempre, we came last, no? Last kami, kaya masaya kami, kaya nakaabot kami dito. Pero sana hindi ito ang last game namin.
And we do hope for that, Mayor Malu. And now I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, constituents, and to all the supporters of Magalang Basketball.
Good afternoon nga po kaya kayo at supportan tala po rin man Magalang Basketball Team. Kaya pong laban da po ngayon. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And here, on my left side, is Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga. Mayor, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon po, lalo na ho sa lahat ng tumatangkilik ng Delta Cup.
Now, Mayor, your team, Level Up LUBAO, has been great on the elimination round. How happy you are that they have the twice-to-beat advantage and they're really bringing up the trust at sa lagi niyo pong pagsuporta sa lahat ng laro nila.
Siyempre, masayang-masaya ako. Hindi lang para sa akin, hindi lang para sa kanila, siyempre para sa buong mga taga-LUBAO.
Now, Mayor, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, constituents, and to all the supporters of Level Up LUBAO.
Again po, karayang kabalen ko, King LUBAO, pasalamat ko po, King suportang Binyeyo o Bibyeyo, balo ko po, nung ali po kaya kayo, alino man po magka-inspirasyon, dahil nga anak. Kaya sana po, tuloy-tuloy po ing suporta tamo at pangadi. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And here, on my right side, is Mayor Jun Tetanco of Apalit, Pampanga. Mayor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mayor, yung Apalit, I love it. Your team here in Delta Cup has been so phenomenal, given the crowd, your players, and especially you supporting them. How happy you are that you bring the biggest crowd of our Delta Cup yesterday.
Opo, masaya-masaya sa suporta ng mga tiga-Apalit. At hindi lang suporta dito sa Delta Cup, sa buong suporta dito sa lahat ng sports program ni Gov Delta.
Mayor, I will give you also the chance to greet all your family, friends, constituents, and to all the people that is supporting Apalit. I love it.
Opo, hello po sa mga tiga-Apalit. Next week po, maganda yung laban natin. So, punuin na natin tong sports complex. Alam nyo na yon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And here, on my left side, is Mayor Tonton Torres of GUIAO, Pampanga. Mayor, good afternoon.
Ay, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nanonood at magandang hapon sa lahat ng viewers natin for today.
Mayor, you mentioned to me earlier that you were one of the supporters of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. How happy you are that your team GUIAO, tulong-tulong tayo, has the twice-to-beat advantage coming to the playoffs.
First of all, masayang-masaya, no? And I'm very proud of my players. Talagang yung effort na binibigay nila, talagang todo. Hindi lang sa laro, kundi pati sa practice. So I hope na maganda yung mapapakita namin ngayong araw na to.
Now, Mayor, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, constituents, and to all the people who supports GUIAO, tulong-tulong tayo.
Karengang pong kabalen kong GUIAO. Dakal-dakal po salamat kay kayong suporta at patuloy tala pong suportahan din kay katamong players na at makaasa tamo po na ibiyedangan po yung agyuda para kay Balenta mo.
Thank you so much. Once again, that is Mayor Tonton Torres of Guagua, Pampanga, Mayor Zun Tetanco of Apalit, Pampanga, Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga, and of course, Mayor Malu Lacson of Magalang, Pampanga. This is once again the Delta Cup interviews at the half. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik kami para sa ating second half ng One Magalang Basketball kontra Level Up LUBAO.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 basketball exhibition game on March 10, 2024 at Pate Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. Of course, our President and CEO, Boss Ray Ala, will be playing together with our Commissioner, Rodney Santos. As we can see here, Boss Rocky Chan, our Chairman of Sinag Liga Asia, together with our COO, Coach Leo Isaac, and also the Tournament Commissioner for Delta Cup, and of course, the President himself, the President and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Ala. Once again, Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sidelines. We're back for the second half of this ball game. One Magalang basketball kontra Level Up LUBAO.
Yes, and you know, one of the things na nakita natin kanina, they were talking with Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Maybe something in store in the future dito sa Pampanga. Kaya abang-abang lang po as easy basket doon to start off for One Magalang. Good start to cut the lead down to 9. Oh, that's a bomb right there. Sorry, miss nga lang para dito kay Franz de la Cruz.
47-38.
Good floater.
That goes off to the right. Rebound by LUBAO. Manalang.
May tira
Franz
yun
de la Cruz.
May tira yun ng ganong kalayo kaya si Likop nagulat eh.
Akala niya kung anong gagawin eh.
Ito rin, may tira din
back.
to.
That goes through the net. It doesn't touch the rim nor the board.
And the gun to the skies for CJ Delfino is back. Pangalawang three-point make na yan dito ni Charles Jacob.
You can see here.
Oh, wow. Grabe naman yun. The spin to the Pinoy step move. And hindi traveling. Malinis yun for Rafa Canlapan.
What a move from Rafa Canlapan. Was able to escape the three defenders. Jumper for Franz de la Cruz. Goes off to the center. Manaloto with the ball. Manaloto against Manalang. Manaloto with that jumper. Rebound by Manalang.
They have the numbers. Pero yun nga lang, napigilan agad. Ang bilis bumaba ng mga tagawan Magalang.
Manalang back to Delfino.
Layo.
Delfino. That's too strong. Manaloto to Likop.
And as always, CJ Delfino, one of the best chase down shot blocking guards in Pampanga. Hinabol niya yun. Nahabol niya, naunahan niya, and even tapped it from behind. Nakatalikod siya nung tinapik niya yun.
That's why you call him
The Tasmanian Devil.
50-40, a 10-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game is 11. Now it's down to 10. 7 minutes and 54 seconds.
Good pass to the middle. Good pass to the middle. Caught the defense napping. Kaya napafoul na lang si Franz.
Nino Likop has also a good eye, no? Like, nakikita niya yung mga offensers nila na, I mean, yung mga teammates niya na libreng-libre for a drive.
That's the first time I've heard that word.
Sorry.
Offensers.
I was rattling. Nawawala na kasi ako ng boss.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Okay, you breathe. Pero speaking of breathe, look at that three-pointer for Manalang. Again, pumuputok na naman ang kamay ng mga taga-Lubao.
Another three-point shot. The second three-point shot for Mark Manalang for this ball game.
Yung una niya, yung malayo ang kanina eh.
Ariel Manaloto. Rebound by Franz de la Cruz. Back to Delfino.
Look at that. Delfino already looking up at the rim. The spin and the kick.
Mark Manalang. De la Cruz. One-hand floater. Short. Back to Delfino.
Heat check. Heat check for Charles Jacob Delfino. Now the biggest lead of the ball game, 16 points para dito sa Level Up Lubao. Look at this three-pointer from CJ. On fire, on target, 16-point lead para sa Level Up Lubao. 6 minutes and 52 seconds natitira sa ating third quarter.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
6 minutes and 52 seconds. Ariel Manaloto trying to give one Magalang basketball another ball game tomorrow.
Pero medyo lalim ang kailangan nilang hukayin dito dahil nga 16-point lead. Pero
Speaking of malalim,
Oo.
ang lalim ng kuha na ni Rafa Canlapan on that
Grabe.
shot.
well, like I said, big boy move yun yung ginagawa dito ni Canlapan. I mean, look at him, body up Franz de la Cruz right there. And even yung contact sa likod, parang wala lang sa kanya. Strong player itong si Canlapan.
Delfino with the basketball against Rafa Canlapan.
He wants a clear out. He wants an ISO. Step back.
It's a miss for Delfino that time. Ariel Manaloto to Nilo Likup. Back to Estravo, back to Manaloto. Manaloto back to Likup. That is short.
Maalat talaga si Nilo Licop ngayong araw. Even
Oh.
those regular shots niya
I'm
from close
seeing
range.
John Zita checks in for Lubao. John Zita.
Good block.
Rejection.
Good block right there by Dunka.
Dunka. But it wasn't able, but nakatapak na siya doon sa line when he was able to recover that basketball.
Kevin Montemayor comes in for the first time. He did not play in the first half. Now Coach James De La Peña almost inuubos. Oh wow, Delfino! Knockout play at the inbound.
Ang bilis nun for CJ Delfino.
Kahit yung kalaban and yun, near steal for CJ. Clear foul on Montemayor there.
5 minutes and 43 seconds. This is actually quite a fast
Ang
quarter.
bilis, diba? Charles Jacob Delfino, 23 points, 1 rebound and 3 steals. Already 8 points na siya sa quarter na to, di ba? Ganong kabilis ang scoring nito ni Delfino.
13 points if I'm not mistaken in the first.
Oo, parang 10 points or 8 points na ata siya dito.
58 to 42. 16-point lead. The biggest lead of the ball game. Makes it 18.
If I'm Kian Dunka, I'm shaking Manalang's hand. That is as good as defense you can give anyone. 1 foot shot na nga yun, swish pa. That's how you know everything is falling para dito sa Level Up Lubao.
That possession wasn't able to convert into a basket for one Magalang. Delfino once again.
Oh, good steal. There you go. That's the doubt sitting into Nilo Licop's head na. Could have taken that shot. Pero dahil nga hindi maganda shooting niya, he doubted himself and decided to pass it.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang third quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Big adjustments ang gagawin daw ng Team 1 Magalang according to assistant coach Ponce Malik after the first half result. Gagamitin na daw nila ang second option play nila for the remaining quarter dahil hindi daw umubra ang main game play nila. At naririnig ko nga na dito na babantayan daw nila ng sobra itong si CJ Delfino because we all know once na uminit ang kamay nitong si CJ, sunod-sunod na ang swerte nito. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Well, thank you so much, by the way, kay MJ, for that report. Assistant Coach Ponce Malik did say the right thing there. Hindi gumana yung game plan nyo initially. You change it up at the half. And kagaya kanina, for Igba yung Mexico, they defended well coming out of the half. Pinalitan nila yung defensive scheme nila to neutralize I Love San Simon. But yun nga lang, that's a tough task. Ngayon kasi everything level up LUBAO will throw up. Feels like pumapasok. Yung dalawang tres ni Delfino kanina, yung one-legged shot ni Manalang. I mean, level up LUBAO is just having a field day right now. And look at that, pinagsabay na ni Coach James de la Peña itong si Delfino at si Lorico. So he will speed the game up more pa with this backcourt.
With the 16-point lead. Oh. It's very unusual to see Sean Lorico and CJ Delfino in one frame.
But yeah, there you go. That's the right way to do if you're Jeff Booton. While the defense is still not set, atakihin mo na agad and immediately napatawag ng timeout ito si Coach James de la Peña.
With 3 minutes and 46 seconds, he checks in for Lorico together with Delfino. Maa-alarm ka talaga. Time out on the floor, 60-46.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
SLA goes to Visayas for born 2004 and born 2007 this April 2024. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or contact our Deputy Commissioner for Visayas, Mr. Paul Joven, at 0917-855-5565.
Given that number later, I just want to call Coach Paul Joven. Namimiss ko na siya.
Sige.
Love you, Coach Paul. Because again, good defense na naman on the ball handler.
But Sandler, what a bounce pass from Lorico. The sorry miss for John Zita. Good tap. But CJ Delfino.
Yes, 6 seconds on the shot clock.
Ball stays on the offensive side. There was a tap. So our shot clock continues at 2.3 seconds.
Good defense by Juan Magalang. Delfino needs a fire.
And I will be surprised if still that goes in with that rattle.
Kung pumasok yun, talagang Delfino is on fire na.
Ariel Manaloto.
Good block.
Misses. Jeff Booton is there for the putback.
Booton at Manaloto, talagang ginigising ang Juan Magalang. And look at that. The crowd here is now hyped up for Juan Magalang. Nagigising na sila unti-unti.
From the 18-point lead, the biggest lead of the ballgame, now it's down to 12. Jumper goes up to the center. Sean Lorico for the rebound. Lorico with a jumper. It's short. Manaloto on the rebound. Napalakas yung pasa ni Ariel Manaloto.
Halata kay Rayson ibibigay. Sabi ni Kurt, sasaluhin niya dapat at ititira niya. Sabi ni Kurt, you're not eligible to play here, Kurt. Pero that's a sorry missed chance para dito sa Juan Magalang dahil nga if they got the ball to Booton properly, this would have been just a 10-point game na.
Franz de la Cruz. against Ariel Manaloto. Whoa, that's long. It's off to the center. Left rather.
How quick did the winds change, di ba? Kanina parang LUBAO could get any shot they want. Pasok pa lahat. Ngayon, parang naubos eh. It's now the turn of Juan Magalang. Nag-change bigla yung ihip ng hangin papunta dito sa Juan Magalang.
According to MJ's report kanina, sabi nga niya, sabi dito ni Coach Zoe Mercado, they're going to have a different defense para dito sa ating second half. And we can see naman na from 18 points, now it's down to 12-point lead for LUBAO.
Well, basketball is a game of adjustments talaga. And, you know, to MJ's report nga kanina, tama talaga yun. You have to change it if it's not working. Kasi kaninang first half, kung yung strategy mo coming into this ball game was to prevent CJ Delfino from bursting, di ba? From exploding in scoring, fail na kayo agad doon. But then again, we talked about this. Basketball is a tale of two halves. Di adjusted dito. Oh, mainit simula ni Delfino. But trust the process. Ngayon, Delfino medyo na nahimik na. And I believe that CJ is also experiencing a little bit of fatigue. Tinan mo, medyo hinihingal na siya ng konti. But as I say that, tahimik ka daw. Enzo Galarosa, sabi ni Tasmanian Devil.
I didn't expect that reaction from CJ Delfino. But you know, he wanted to give back the momentum for LUBAO. That's why he reacted that way.
And actually, ito yung gusto mga laro ni Delfino. Yung makikipag-asaran siya sa fans. That's what he lives for. That's why he's such a legend when it comes to yung mga inter-barangay na games. Sikat na sikat yan, especially sa TikTok niya.
Hindi ko pa napapanood yung mga TikTok niya.
Puro highlights lang, di siya sumasedo. Pero John Zita finally gets a bucket there. Again, yung inbound play, baseline inbound play ng LUBAO, on point lagi.
3-point from
Alboleras.
another missed possession for Juan Magalang. Mark Manalang to De La Cruz.
A good veer step.
Sorry, miss for France De La Cruz. Ariel Manaloto against 3.
Bawian ng veer step yun ah.
53.1 seconds remaining. This is what I'm talking about, Enzo.
Kanina, kakasabi mo lang na 5 minutes pa lang, 53 na agad.
Pagtingin ko nga din. It's 64 to 49. Let's take a look at that last play from Ariel Manaloto as he knocks his first free throw.
Dalawa pwedeng mapituhan dun ah. I'm interested. Di ko lang narinig kung kanino binigyan ng referee yung foul. Basta dalawa sila. Both Delfino and itong si Zita fouled. Itong si Manaloto there. Kaya walang reklamo yung LUBAO eh.
Still a 14-point lead for LUBAO. CJ Delfino once again for the 3. Goes too strong. Jumper.
No box out para dito sa Juan Magalang that allowed Zita to just fly and get that rebound.
Lead back to 16. Now back to 14 after that easy basket.
Magalang cannot afford to do that na makipag-exchange na ng baskets. And look at that. Estravo just face guarding Delfino 94 feet. Bantayan mo man si Delfino, may Mark Manalang ka pa pala, sabi ng LUBAO.
Sabi ni ni GJ tahimik daw.
And Delfino, 4 seconds. From way downtown.
Mainit na talaga siya pag napasok pa niya yung palayo, Enzo. But 69 to 52 at the end of the third quarter. From the 18-point lead, as we take a look here at our third quarter highlights.
Delfino catching fire dito sa start ng third quarter. But Magalang had their moments. They had it cut down to 12. But shots like that, that 1-foot, one-legged jumper by Mark Manalang. Jeff Buton trying to will his team to bounce back in this game. But the Tasmanian Devil, nilalabas na ang kanyang tunay na laro. And the smile and the gamesmanship, that's why lamang sila ng 17 points dito, 69 to 52, entering the fourth and final quarter of this second game of the Saturday quadruple header ng 2024 Delta Cup.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Entering our fourth and final quarter of the ball game, of course, you can watch, like, and subscribe at the Facebook page of Pampanga PIO para masubaybayan nyo itong Delta Cup 2024. And of course, we're still live inside the GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, Pampanga Delta. As nabigyan pa nga tayo dito ng ating mga malulupit na cameraman.
Actually, hindi ata tayo mga bata ata sa likod natin ang dapat ang tinututuan nila. Nakaharang lang siguro tayo.
Sir, entering 69-52, a 17-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. Kenji Gonzalez on the sideline inbound, so, working with San Lorico. Franz de la Cruz. No
Guevara.
CJ Delfino this time.
RJ Guevara, this is his first minutes of the game. Ngayon ko pala nakita si RJ Guevara on the floor for Juan Magalang. I've been wondering all game long, where is Guevara for them? I did not see him sa bench. Kakadating lang siguro niya. I'm surprised. I thought he was not with the team kasi I'm looking at the lineup. Wala siya, andito siya sa lineup, pero wala siya sa bench. This is the first time I saw RJ Guevara in the game right now. I'm surprised na ngayon. Kanina first game I said, John Del Cunanan, di ba? Ba't hindi naglalaro? Ngayon Guevara, I'm surprised na ngayon pa lang siya pinasok.
And you know, Enzo, even though, from what I heard, that even though Saturday kasi, lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pampanga ay may classes.
Right. You have a good point there.
Kaya, there's always a reason din siguro why
pero
some of the other players were not here.
they needed, I believe, with Guevara's energy and yung tenacity niya on defense. Speaking of tenacity, good steal right there. Galing dito kay Eman Pangan. See, look at that. That's the value of an RJ Guevara. He did not just let Eman Pangan go to the rim easily. He challenges shots. Matapang tong si Guevara, mabilis. But Eman Pangan was just nauna lang si Pangan sa pwesto and wala na siyang magagawa dun but to foul him. But that's the value of an RJ Guevara. He gives you that hustle, he gives you that intensity, he gives you that defense. Siya yung mga type of players na, okay, I have 5 fouls to use properly, as we can see Coach James De La Peña right there.
As one of his players. No good for Pangan. 69-52. One-hand shot. Back to LUBAO.
Talagang LUBAO is just clamping down on defense dito sa Juan Magalang.
No one Magalang can take this opportunity. CJ Delfino is not here.
Pero andyan si Lorico eh. Look at that move by Sean Lorico.
Bantay na bantay lang talaga si Sean ngayon eh.
Oo.
Take a look here. Struggling on their offense. But a whistle.
Alam mo yung mga pito na nasasabihin mo sa referee, kung ako si Franz David, sana hindi mo na pinito, naka-layup na yung kakampi ko. Pero they have to call it, di ba? They have to call it. There was contact there. Pero yun nga, sabihin mo kay Sir Franz David, sana hindi na naka-layup na kakampi ko. Na-foul nga ako, pero kakampi ko nakashoot na.
Ooh, nice time from Manaloto.
Guevara nakascore, di ba? Like I said, where was RJ Guevara kanina pa? Ngayon pa pala, may manalang pa nga pala ng LUBAO. I forgot. And he's trying to remind me.
Dito pa si Franz de la Cruz sa loob.
Oo. No Delfino, pero you have Franz de la Cruz, you have Mark Manalang, and you also have itong si Eman Pangan, di ba? And Sean Lorico. And also, Kenji Gonzalez is also there, di ba? So, itong 5 na to, di mo masabi na ito yung finishing 5 ni Coach James De La Peña kasi Delfino's not there. Delfino always finishes games, pero this 5 can be their best 5 din naman eh. Si interchangeable nga si Sean Lorico and CJ Delfino.
70-54. Still a 16-point lead for Level Up LUBAO with 8 minutes and 3 seconds.
Blocking foul.
Yung kanina ang bilis ng third quarter, It seems like our fourth quarter is on a slow pace.
Well, actually, normally the fourth quarter is the slowest quarter of them all. Kasi nga dito na yung mahigpit na depensa, dito na yung mga ganyan, counter threes, dito na mas madalas gagamit yung coach ng timeout, and dito na rin yung mas maraming fouls na quarter. So this is normally the slowest quarter among the four.
Sean Lorico. Still no field goal for this ball game. But of course, he's put in his best defensive plays in the absence of his scoring.
Good pull-up.
Jumper. That is too strong for Kenji Gonzalez.
May chance pa. There's still a lot of time and just 13 points ang hinahabol dito ng Juan Magalang. Ward off.
Ariel Manaloto.
Oh, counted. They say counted. I thought they were going to whistle an offensive foul. Referee says no contact from the defender.
As we take a look back here, this drive from Ariel Manaloto. You know, going back to our game story, hearts on the line.
Hearts on the line.
And Ariel Manaloto just crosses a thin line of liking and loving that shot.
And ito yung sabi kanina, di ba, ni Mayora Malu. Sana wag daw may laro, sana maglaro pa daw sila bukas, di ba?
Kanina nung
parang narinig ng Juan Magalang yun eh. Diba?
Sabi niya,
They heard
sana
it.
makapaglaro pa kami.
Oo, sana pa makapaglaro kami bukas, di ba?
And then sabi niya, sana hindi ito yung last game namin.
Sana hindi ito yung last game namin, right?
Actually, I enjoyed that halftime interview with four of them all.
Happy sila lahat. Eh. Parang kahit nagsasalita isa, naglolokohan pa sila.
Naglolokohan sila sa tabi ko.
Look at the defense of Juan Magalang, humigpit na.
The lead is now down to 10 from the 18-point biggest lead as Mark Manalang. That's too strong off to the right. Rebound by Ariel Manaloto.
Good drop pass. Yun nga lang, traveling.
Everyone inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center reacts.
Lahat sila sumigaw na
It
travel.
could have been a good possession.
And
Nice drop pass from Manaloto to David.
And even Coach Joey Mercado of Juan Magalang knew it was a traveling violation.
And even our president and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw.
Alam nila eh. Pero eto na, Delfino. Beautiful move, di lang na-finish. Here's a chance for Juan Magalang to cut the lead down to single digits.
Kanlapan. And here you have it.
And look at Mayor Malu jumping up and down with excitement.
Kanlapan. Sabi ni Mayor, sumenyo siya, 8 na lang daw.
Oh. And Delfino wants an ISO.
6 minutes. Just looking. 7 on the shot clock.
Good save by France.
The ball is back on the offensive side.
Ayaw pa rin.
This is the chance of Juan Magalang to turn back the momentum on their side. Rafa Kanlapan.
Offensive foul, offensive foul. Clear ward off right there by Rafa Kanlapan.
Let's take a look here. It's that foul from Rafa Kanlapan.
Look at the right arm. Clear push.
Sideline inbound for Gonzalez. Back to Sean Lorico.
Look at Guevara face guard. Itong si Delfino.
Lorico and Delfino in one frame once again. Franz de la Cruz going for a 3. In and
Ayaw
out.
pa rin. This is big. This is big.
There you have it. Mayor Malu Lacsan's reaction.
Look at that. She is happy
That
and jumping around.
celebration.
Anim na lang daw. Oh, good DHO fake there from Lorico.
Ayaw pa rin for Sean Lorico.
May takip pang ring ng LUBAO.
4 minutes and 53 seconds. This is way too long. And
Kanya pa rin.
So no good. Rebound by Kenji Gonzalez. Back to CJ Delfino.
And look at foul there on Guevara. Kenji looks hurt. Kenji's holding onto his midsection. He looks hurt.
A different intensity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
pumunta na yung momentum dito sa Juan Magalang. Look at
Mayor
Mayor
Malulacson
Malulacson.
celebrating. Of course, they're down by 18 points earlier. It's now just 6 points advantage for Level Up LUBAO.
Delfino wants it at the post. He's
Franz
demanding
de
the
la
ball.
Cruz.
Oh, good job by Guevara. That is why Guevara's there.
Albalaras. Back to Jordan Bungay. Bungay for 3. It's short. But there was a tap by Rafa Canlapan.
Nang hinayang dun si Canlapan. Napunta sa kanya, hindi siya ready na dun pala pupunta yung rebound. But nonetheless, naputol na nilang kalamangan sa 6.
So I with 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Timeout on the floor, 70-64.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Going back at the 4 minutes and 9 seconds, mga Kasinag SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagashasport@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As we can see here, speaking of Sinag Liga Asia, our chairman, Boss Rocky Chan. Beside him is our COO, Boss Coach Leo Isaak, together with our president and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw.
And let's not forget the head of production sa Obivan.
Pinakagwapo at walang kupas na si Direk Nomar Santiago.
Back to the game. CJ attacks. Good kick out. Extra pass. Ayaw pa rin for Level Up LUBAO.
But there is a rebound for Mark Manalang. Back to CJ Delfino with 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Look at that steal. Guevara with a steal. Oh, tumama kay Guevara.
No, that's why you were mentioning earlier
Yes.
that Guevara will be a big disappointment for Level Up LUBAO, ha? Kasi siya lang ang nakakagawa nun.
Kay
Kay
Delfino,
CJ
oo.
Delfino.
Are they gonna challenge? Coach Joey Mercado is gonna challenge this call. So ito, initial call by the referees was bola ng LUBAO after the shot was missed at natapik out of bounds.
Because it's a very important possession.
And look at this. We showed kanina Mayor Malulacson of Juan Magalang. Let's take a look at this layup muna. Guevara misses on the rebound play. Tapikan. Dalawang players, but they were pointing out na tumama sakto sa paa. Dito ni Guevara was lying down on the ground. Out of bounds. Yun ang sinasabi nila. And ito pa, one thing, yun nga. Mayor Malulacson of Magalang, Pampanga, nagtatalon. Ito yung mga barangay captains ng LUBAO. Anxious na yung itsura. Diba? The difference between the emotions of mga officials dito from each municipalities and cities. Kitang-kita natin how passionate they are for basketball. And bola down ng LUBAO, so the challenge will be unsuccessful.
Take a look back here. Take a look back on what happened.
Sinasabi nila, natapik, but there you go.
Tumama
Guevara
talaga.
was out of bounds and it hit his foot. That's why the challenge. Ang sinasabi ng coaching staff dito ng Juan Magalang, natapik daw ng Tagalubao. That is true, natapik nga. But nasa labas kasi si Guevara and it hit his foot last.
Franz de la Cruz.
Again,
Almost a steal for Guevara. De la Cruz back to Manalang.
ayaw
pa
pa rin.
din.
That's now 4 consecutive 3-point attempts for Level Up LUBAO na walang pumasok.
1 from Delfino, 2 from De La Cruz, and 1 from Mark Manalang. Guevara, that is almost a big shot. Franz de la Cruz on the rebound against Rafa Canlapan.
O din si Zita. Nauuna na si Zita doon.
15 on the shot clock. What will Franz de la Cruz do? What a move from Franz de la Cruz. And after consecutive try of the field goal.
Mayor Esme Pineda right there. A little bit of concern sa itsura ni Mayor Esme. Pero the patented move ng mga taga-Lubao, that spin move to that one-handed floater sa gitna. But look at that big boy move. Galing kay Rafa Canlapan.
The lead is now cut again to 6.
France on the pick and roll. France holding foul. It's on France David. France on France. France de la Cruz kontra France David. Pansin ko lang. Tao sila nagmatan. Oh, Alan Danan comes in.
They needed that big man.
Oo, tinanggal nila yung nag-small ball sila with Kenji Gonzalez. So they sacrifice floor spacing for height. Dahil nga ito nga si Canlapan. Sa puro ilalim ng mga puntos dito ng Juan Magalang.
Jeff Buton checks in for Juan Magalang basketball.
The penalty na. That was what the table officials were signaling there. And look at Coach Joey Mercado.
Sabi niya 3 pa lang daw.
They're telling the 3 team fouls pa lang. Let's take a look at
2 minutes and 9 seconds.
they're talking. Clutch free throw right there for France de la Cruz. Haba ng pangalan niya, Francis.
Ang ano nga, kala ko nga dati.
Interesting name.
Tanong natin sa kanya. Bakit?
Hindi, ba't sa kanya sa magulang? Pero maganda yung pangalan na yun, Francis.
Unique.
Very unique and alam mo yun?
For a male.
Yes.
Nice stop from CJ Delfino.
Tika na.
We already approached the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
And this is where legends are made of. Dito, can level up Lubao. Seal the deal na. They get a stop. They need a basket. Zita. Whoa! Blocked by Guevara!
Yan yung hinahanap mo. Na RJ Guevara earlier.
That's their Patrick Beverly. Siya yung Patrick Beverly ng Juan Magalang eh. A defensive stopper, a great facilitator. That's why I'm surprised na ngayong fourth quarter ko lang siya nakita on the floor. But again, nako play. And Delfino nagpasabit. And look at that sportsmanship from these two players, Delfino and Guevara. And here, Delfino. Charles Jacob Delfino. Let's take a look at this beautiful inbound play. And Guevara just tried to leap over him to contest that shot after the beautiful pump fake by CJ.
It was a good shot for CJ Delfino. They needed that shot. And if he knocks this one.
For a 10-point lead, Danan falls down. Oh, hold on. That was a good basket. That was a good basket.
So they needed
The free throw was made.
for a baseline inbound.
Oh. And that's what they're telling. That's what Lubao's telling them.
It was a good basket.
Nobody inbounded for... Kaya nagsasabi si Delfino, dapat daw tech yun. So that was a good free throw. But our referees, sabi na lang nila, sige, wag na, error na lang yun. They'll check the time kung gumalaw ba yung oras. Let's take a look at this. The free throw was made from Delfino and then nagka-scramble between Danan and Manaloto underneath. Look at that. Pumasok yung free throw. Manaloto wasn't looking. And then look at Manaloto. Tinakbo niya pagkapulot niya ng bola. He didn't see kung pumasok ba yung bola. That's why he thought it was a miss pagkapulot niya.
There you have it. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Manaloto with a 10-point lead of Level Up Lubao.
If that layup was made, itong crowd ng Juan Magalang behind their bench would have been up in the air, jumping up and down.
It would be a game changer.
Oo. They need both of these free throws to still have a chance. Oh, minadali niya. And it paid dividend kasi na-rebound pa nila. Kanlapan up Vic. And again, another foul it's drawn.
Imagine that if they were able to put those shots from basket,
Totoo.
it could have been a different ball game right now. But
Alan Danan, hindi niya nakuha yung rebound, and that's why Coach James De La Peña was telling Danan to grab the rebound. That's why you're there. You're the tallest man on the floor. Kanlapan, kanina maganda free throw shooting niya. This time he misses the free throw. Look at CJ just laughing right there.
As I mentioned when I was first able to cover as an anchor, the free throw is very much important, especially in the crucial minutes like this.
And Pangan comes back into the game. Small ball to small ball yung lineup dito. And also, San Lorico, upo muna si Manalang. Labanan ng bilis na lang dito. Small ball lineup para yung koponan.
Baseline inbound for LUBAO. There's a whistle.
And an offensive foul on Pangan. He was telling his coaching staff na wala, but and it fouls out. He fouls out with that foul din.
And tinatanong siya din kanina ng head
Let's take a
one
look.
of the assistant coaches kung meron ba talagang foul.
Let's take a look at it right here. It's an interesting call. The referee's in. It was right in the referee's face. Oh, steal by Delfino. CJ against Guevara to Lorico.
Ayaw pa din for San Lorico.
Kanlapan. Danan with the block. Danan might have just saved the day for Level Up LUBAO.
59.6 seconds remaining. 8-point lead for Level Up LUBAO.
Defending without fouling. Alan Danan just raised his arms. At nahuli pa niya yung layup dun ni Kanlapan.
But it alarms both teams. They needed to secure what will be their play as one timeout left for both teams.
59.6 seconds. As eto na ang susunod na maglalaro dito. Ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. I believe they're ready. Sa kalaban nila, itong Santa Rita. Santa Ana pala. Sorry, Santa Rita was yesterday. My bad. Santa Ana
Unite.
Oo, Santa Ana Unite ang kalaban nila. Let's take a look at this block by Alan Danan just raising his arm. Bolang-bola, oh.
The advantage of Alan Danan.
Ang haba din kasi. He's just 18 years old. Imagine that. 17, 18 years old pa lang yan, di ba? He's that
Baseline
tall.
inbound. De La Cruz against Guevara. But De La Cruz managed to put that basket.
Hold on. They were saying there were 6 players on the floor for LUBAO. And they might have a point. They might have a point. Danan was on the floor. There were 6. And look at Mayor Esme ngayon, nakangiti na.
Siya na lang daw yung maglalaro. Look at that connection in the
1,
players
2,
of
3, 4, 5, 6 players ang nasa floor for Level Up LUBAO. That is a huge fumble from their part, but Likop again misses another free throw. Chances are there for one Magalang.
Matawa tong si CJ Delfino. Tatawanan siya ni Kurt Reyes.
Coach Sandy Mercado's there. He's asking for the referees kung counted by a layup. He's asking the referees that if was the layup counted kanina. Oh, look at Delfino just reached for the rim. And look at the crowd right here. Coach Sandy.
Another heated ball game. Enzo, Ang init na
Oo.
dito sa Pampanga. Ang init pa ng labanan natin dito sa ating
Well,
playoffs.
if you're one Magalang kasi, you're fighting for your tournament lives right now.
I believe it's a sideline inbound for one Magalang after that Nilo Licop misses the technical free throw.
Still, Coach Joey is still in the middle.
For our table officials, is arguing
Oo.
against our referee Dennis Escaro. I do believe that their argument,
They're arguing the score kasi on the
I think
scoreboard
the
natin dito sa
layup
taas.
of De La
Oo.
Cruz was counted.
Counted. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Dahil nga 6 dapat daw no count. On the official scoreboard dito sa BREN GUIAO, it's 78-68. Yun yung nirereklamo ni Coach Joey Mercado. And they're discussing, our referees are discussing together with
Our
each other. You know, nag-uusap-usap sila. And even Sinag Ligasas chairman, Sir Rocky Chan, is asking questions.
$55.7. This is a very,
Napahaba, lalo yung mahabang fourth quarter, no?
very important possession, and that
And the head official, Sir Anthony Roque, calls both head coaches to the middle of the floor. Ito yung nirereklamo to the fans watching at home or sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Coach Joey Mercado is asking, bakit daw counted yung layup kanina? This is the layup that they're talking about. Bakit daw counted to? Yes, it went in, but there are 6 players for level up LUBAO on the floor. So why did the layup count? Diba? Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Joey Mercado kanina.
but the score here at
And there you go.
inside the BREN GUIAO Convention
They take
Center
it off.
is already changed.
There you go. They ward it off. The referees already signaled it na the basket is nullified. They don't count that basket anymore. Yung layup kanina ni Franz de la Cruz. So this will be a re-inbound para dito sa level up LUBAO kasi nag-technical free throw ang one Magalang. And look at Coach Joey shouting at his players to switch up the defensive matchups right here.
Jeff Bruton against
Uh-oh. Oh, and a sportsmanlike foul. That's gonna be on Lorico. Some blunders on the part of level up LUBAO in the
There
recent
is a review on the last play.
possessions.
All players
This fourth quarter is too long. And I think this is going still way too long.
And it happened
After that,
And it happened right in front.
like foul call.
And it happened right in front of Coach James de la Peña. Walang reklamo si Coach James. Agad-agad niyang tinulak si Lorico to the bench. Agad at nakakapit daw si Manoloto. And then there, a wayward elbow from Lorico.
And here, the teammates.
Oh! Disqualifying foul! Lorico's out!
disqualifying foul on number 10, Sean Lorico. Sean Lorico out of the playing court.
This could have been a different scenario for level up LUBAO.
Ejected ito si Sean Lorico. So foul out na si Eman Pangan. And now Sean Lorico out of the playing court. And mabibigyan pa ng 2 free throws and ball possession itong one Magalang.
This is what we are talking about. This could be a game changer for one Magalang basketball. And so, pangalawang laro pa lang
Yes,
to.
pangalawa pa lang ito. May dalawa pang susunod, di ba? And 2 free throws were made para dito kay Errol Manoloto. And now they're only down by 6 with 59.6 seconds. And bola pa nila.
Manaloto. Level up LUBAO could have put him.
And they foul Manoloto pa. And look at Delfino. Delfino said
I am so
kaya na niya.
surprised on what is happening right now.
The recent blunders galing dito sa level of LUBAO. Look at that. Delfino was going for the steal. But then from behind, there's the foul from Manalang. They're gonna give 2 free throws back again to Manaloto.
After the rattle on that 6-man inside, we started it with 59 seconds. Now we're down on the 55.4 seconds as we can see Mayor malulakson.
There you go, sabi ni Franz de la Cruz. Akin na to. Tumalon na lang eh. Tama na, sabi ni...
A 5-point lead
Tama na daw, sabi ni Franz de la Cruz.
for Level Up LUBAO. It's Franz de la Cruz. We're going to the other end of the playing court for Franz de la Cruz to secure.
Cool, calm, collected. Itong si Franz de la Cruz.
That first shot is good for Franz de la Cruz.
Kompleto. And look at Mayor Esme. Mayor Esme and Mayor Malu. Both anxious in this game. There's a big steal there by Zita.
Back to CJ Delfino. And there is a foul against Nilo Licup. Or Aaron Manaloto rather.
And Delfino knew it. Susugod sa kanya si Licup. He immediately just backed up to Licup to draw the foul. And can the Tasmanian Devil cap off this masterful performance right here? But yun nga lang, he misses the free throw. Again, Mayor Esmeralda Pineda of LUBAO. All smiles na. Medyo nararamdaman na niya na nakakaalagwa na. Itong LUBAO Pampang, itong Level Up LUBAO.
Buton. 34 seconds remaining. That's too
Sobra.
strong. There's a foul. It's Kenji Gonzalez.
Oo. Extended neck. It's an offensive foul. It's not. It shouldn't be free throws. It's an offensive foul. And yun yung sinasabi ni Delfino. Dapat walang free throw. Offensive foul ang pinito. And this is a good timeout para sa panin ni Coach James de la Peña. Regroup niya yung mga bata.
The last timeout for LUBAO. Still one timeout left for Juan Magalang. So we take a look back. That rebound from Kenji Gonzalez.
Oh, yun, doon. May tulak sa mukha ni Canlapan. That's the offensive foul. They got entangled on the box-out play.
.2 seconds remaining.
Yes, and siyempre, di ba, paalala lang natin, since Mr. Sinag is here, our president and CEO, maglalaro, di ba, sa US PBA Legends. And of course, Sinag Liga Asia, our own commissioner, Kong Ronnie Santos, our president, CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, sa March 7 na pala alis nila. Saan yun? Burtonville, Maryland. Ito, three-pointer. And Manaloto with a basket underneath.
But 24 seconds left. No shot clock. Let's see what LUBAO will do.
And that's the right play for Delfino. Even before they could trap him on the baseline, binigay agad nila to none other than their best free throw shooter. Etong si Franz de la Cruz. To seal the game right now.
If Franz de la Cruz knocks this 2 free throws, I think we already have a result for this ball game. With 21.1 seconds remaining.
Look at that, naririnig mo na sinachant ng mga taga-LUBAO, di ba?
Narinig ko yung kapon sa Apalix.
1 out of 2, but Zita keeps it alive.
Pa-extend ng pa-extend. Itong ating fourth quarter.
Rafa Canlapan. Look at that, they're asking for a replay here kasi natamaan sa ulo si John Zita dito. Take a look. Napatukan. Kanlapan doon. This will be an easy call, I believe. Wow, disqualifying foul din.
Number 21.
It's because it's on the back of the head. Anything, anywhere,
Of the playing court.
shoulder level and above to the head area is an automatic disqualifying foul. So Kanlapan, the second casualty of this ball game. Kanina si Lorico, ngayon naman si Kanlapan ang ejected.
It feels like we're on our championship game.
Intense na intense, di ba? And this is just quarterfinals 1. Paano pa kaya sa quarterfinals 2 na knockout, di ba? Na knockout stage
There's
yun.
only one chance for them. No
Oo.
twice to beat advantage
Wala-
of our knockout games.
Mga ganung laro, yun yung tapon mo na lahat ng stats, yung laro ka na lang eh. It's 0 for 2 nga lang for Zita, but
Possession on their side. Sideline inbound for Franz de la Cruz with 14 on the shot clock and 19.6 on the game clock. Working together with CJ Delfino, Mark Manalang, John Zita.
they were just gonna waste away the time doon. And a foul right here on Almoleras.
This ball game was way too long after that calls. As 0 out of 2 for Mark Manalang. 1 out of 2 for Mark Manalang. 15 inbound for Juan Magalang with 15 seconds on the game clock. Leak up for 3.
Ayaw talaga for Nilo.
Strong. Manaloto with 6 seconds. Still no good. And there you have it.
That'll do it. Grabe, what a fight back galing dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. And look at that, sportsmanship galing dito kay Mayor Esme Pineda and Mayor Malu Lacson. Exchanging high fives there from the two mayors of both teams right here. Thank you so much po, Mayor Malu Lacson of Magalang, Pampanga, and thank you so much to One Magalang Basketball. What a fight back. But congratulations kasi ang Level Up Lubao has qualified dito sa quarterfinals. Round 2, 81-73 ang ating final score dito. A tough fourth quarter for them, but nonetheless, Level Up Lubao gets the nod, gets the victory, and they qualify nga to quarterfinals round 2. At syempre, sino pa ba ang best player of the game natin? Walang iba, kundi ang Level Up Lubao star player, the Tasmanian Devil himself, Charles Jacob Delfino. CJ, congratulations, grabe. Ibang klase yung simula mo. Dito sa tournament natin, nasabi namin na medyo passing ang ginagawa mo. Bakit ngayong araw pinili mo na ibalik yung tunay na Tasmanian Devil na scorer?
Kasi kailangan namin manalo dito eh. Hindi kami papayag na matatalo kasi pag natalo kami, meron pa silang laro, meron pa kaming laro bukas.
And dun sa fourth quarter, especially yung last minute, yung 6 yung player na pumasok sa inyo, tapos yung disqualifying foul na nangyari kay Sean Lorico, nakita ko hinadel mo yung mga teammates mo. Anong sinabi mo sa kanila para mag-refocus kayo para matapos yung laro na kayo pa rin ang panalo?
Sinabi ko sa kanila, relax lang tayo sa atin na to, lamang na tayo ng 8. Huwag na kayo magkampante na sinabi ko sa kanila.
Tama yun. And CJ, ngayon, chance mo na to give your shoutouts, your greetings, at yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan. This is your opportunity.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Mayor Esme Pineda, tsaka kay Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor, tsaka sa mga coaches namin, tsaka taga Lubao na sumusuporta sa amin. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Boss Dennis Delta Pineda sa binigay niyang liga na to. Yun lang. Tsaka binabati ko rin yung asawa ko, tsaka yung anak ko. Yun lang po.
Once again, congratulations. And siyempre, congratulations din being our new recruit for Letran, brother. And siyempre, once again, it's Charles Jacob Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil, ang ating best player of the game. Level Up Lubao now qualifies for the quarterfinals, round 2. But siyempre po, mga kabalin, coming up next, it's the battle between Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo kontra Santa Ana. Unite for the third game natin dito. But that ends our second game of this Saturday. Quadruple header for Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo. This is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito, Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup. See you later, mga kabalin. Peace!